The following short video presentation will demonstrate the basic features of the Datapel WMS. The Datapel Warehouse Management System functions as an add-on to your MYOB Premier accounting system. The information you already have invested in your MYOB data file is synchronized with the Datapel WMS, so you can start using the advanced order management and inventory control features of the WMS right away. The Datapel WMS extends MYOB Premier in the following areas: multi-location stock tracking with unlimited bin labels per location, advanced inventory tracking using batch, lot, serial numbers and expiry dates, integrated barcoding allowing you to print barcode labels and scan items, dramatically improving the speed and accuracy of data entry, enhanced order management allowing you to track order status as picked, packed, shipped, and optional order priorities. The Datapel WMS allows you to stay with your MYOB Premier accounting system without compromising on enterprise-level order and warehousing functionality. We will now review the WMS Explorer and each register in a little more detail. The WMS presents a simple interface similar to your MYOB accounting product. The main operating window is called the WMS Explorer. Each work center is broken up into registers. These are shown as icons in a simple flowchart at the top of the display. Working from left to right, stock is received or assembled, inventory can be searched or reviewed from the items list, and then transferred from location to location or bin to bin via the transfers register. Sales orders and returns are managed through the sales register. All stock movements and fulfillment requirements will appear in the dispatch register. This effectively becomes the store person's or warehouse manager's daily to-do list. The WMS Explorer displays a list of records that relate to each work center in the fulfillment flowchart. For example, the receiving register shows purchases or return records, and in the assemblies, work orders are listed, while in the sales, orders or quotes are shown. Each register has its own search capabilities. To select a search method, click the drop-down arrow within the search sidebar. Register records can be organized and filtered by location, date range, or sorted in ascending and descending order by clicking on the column headers as shown. The View menu provides some predefined layouts specific to each register. For example, you could view the dispatch register by shipping method, as is shown in this example. At any time, while using the WMS, you can locate stock and review the items list by pressing Ctrl-L. The items register in the WMS shows a summary of all inventoried and non-inventoried items and other stock level counts. As you select an item, detailed stock group information is shown, including location, bin, serial number, and quality status information. Double-clicking on an item drills into the specific item record. You will notice that the items list in MYOB and WMS are very similar. The main difference being MYOB holds total stock levels to maintain your financial accounting integrity, while WMS holds detailed records on individual stock groups or items. The WMS also allows document attachments and images to be tracked with each item or stock group, effectively providing an integrated document management system for things such as product specifications, brochures, or stock group specific information like quality assurance documentation or calibration test results. You can store any number of files or file types within the warehouse management system. In order to demonstrate the order fulfillment features of the WMS, We will work through the following sales example. In this example, a sale will be made from Perth for item 120 and item 300. You will note though that item 300 is currently not in stock at the Perth location, but must be transferred from Melbourne in order to ship the order directly from Perth. You will notice that comments, shipping methods, customer salespeople and other MYOB default settings are immediately available from within the Datapel WMS. All forms are created using crystal reports and can be customized to match your existing MYOB invoicing stationery. Forms can be exported to PDF, Excel, Word and many other formats directly from the Datapel WMS. To complete a stock transfer, select the source and destination locations. Select the items required and, if necessary, select the batch serial details for each. In this case, a quick transfer is used to automatically create picking and packing information, and then move the stock within the system. There is an option to require that all transfer stock be received, which certainly improves tracking of stock while in transit. A special order status of cross-dock is used to flag those orders that can now ship based on items just received. To complete the fulfillment of this order, we drill to the dispatch register from the sale order, create a picking list, thereby allocating stock to an order. The picking method can be determined based on last in, first out, or first in, first out, or by manual selection of stock groups. Then, once the stock is retrieved, we complete the packing slip, and we optionally create packing labels, packing slips, and capture the consignment information using a barcode scanner. If the order will ship immediately, the fast ship option can be used. This sets the order status to shipped and allows the order to be invoiced into MYOB as an item sale, either manually or as an overnight batch process, when the WMS resynchronizes with the MYOB data file. On returning to the dispatch register, we can view the electronic paper trail created by the WMS in the Manifest Details tab. Here we can reprint sales, picking and packing documentation, or link directly to attachments that have been stored for the items used on this order. To complete the demonstration, the order will be manually sent to MYOB. This creates a record of the sales order in MYOB, allowing invoice reprints, accounts receivables, and other back-office duties to be managed by your accounting staff. If present, serial and batch number information will also move into MYOB in the sales line descriptions, acting as a second reference source, allowing your account staff to handle detailed order inquiries. Typically, invoicing sales and the replication of your data file is managed as an overnight process, with the invoicing of orders done as a batch process once every day. Finally, as you would expect, the WMS provides very powerful stock movement tracking. The stock history form, as shown here, provides an interactive register that displays all item movements along with the serial and batch number information for that item. You can filter and drill down on each transaction type, or drill into the record to reveal the source of the transaction. For example, you can drill to the original sale order, work order, or transfer order. That concludes the Datapel Warehouse Management System product overview. For more information, please contact Datapel on 1300 137 082 or speak to your local Datapel partner.